Welcome to Archiesense. Designing a home for a close friend is a unique and profound experience. The process presents both challenges and opportunities, as it involves combining personal relationships with professional creativity. When Vysakh approached us with the vision of his dream home, we embarked on a journey together to create a space that reflected not only his aspirations, but also our design philosophy. The Japanese concept of Wabi-Sabi is the foundation of this design, emphasizing the beauty in imperfection and the transience of life. This philosophy inspires every element of the home, making it an authentic and nostalgic space. Additionally, the design integrates the Anglo-Indian architectural heritage, which Vysakh reveres, by blending classic and modern elements. The home pays homage to this elegant style through a contemporary color palette and design details that reflect today's sensibilities. The bold use of color is a striking feature of this residence. Bright colors are carefully combined to reflect Vysakh's dynamic personality, bringing an ever-evolving energy and atmosphere. In addition, the project prioritizes sustainability through the use of recycled materials, such as wooden planks from old shop windows. These materials bring a valuable story to the past, breathing new life into the design of the house and reinforcing the message of sustainability that underlies the project. The house does not follow conventional norms, but stands as a statement of individuality and unique style. With its simple yet characterful form, the house is in harmony with its surrounding context, creating harmony with its surroundings while still maintaining a strong identity. Every detail of the house reflects Vysakh's dream, our design philosophy, and the deep theme of Wabi-Sabi. The house is designed to evolve into a timeless and meaningful space, both for Vysakh and for those of us involved in its creation.